Happy birthday, Tita Juby!
Thank you for supporting us. More birthdays to come and God bless.
Hello ga, musta? Oy, birthday mo na pala. Golden ka na. Pero, syempre, hindi pa naman halata yun, diba? Happy birthday ga. Wish ko for you good health, more blessings and success to come. At wish ko for you ulit na sana magkaroon ka pa, kung kaya pa, magkaroon ka pa ng isang anak para may makasama naman si Jazz. Kaya pa yan. Diba? Happy birthday ulit. God bless. I love you. Sana makauwi na kayo ulit ng Pinas. Bye-bye.
Hello! Hi Job, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, good health, and of course, more birthdays to come. Pasensya na hindi kami nakadalo sa iyong special day. Alam mo na, kumakayod. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Drew. Enjoy your party.
Hey Day, happy golden birthday to you. Today, you're given an opportunity to blow out candles. I'm sure that you're grateful because it means another year of joy and a greater opportunities for you. Make every day of your life counts and enjoy every moment. Happy birthday.
Happy golden birthday to my lovely sister. Wishing you a good health, happiness, and more birthdays in the years to come. Enjoy your golden age, and I miss you. I love you. Mwah.
Hi Hans, surprise! Happy fabulous at 50! I wish we could be together to laugh and celebrate your special day. Even though we can't, I hope you know that I'm very happy for you. You deserve all the happiness in the world. May God's blessings continue to shine upon you in this new chapter of life. Again, happy fabulous at 50. Love you.
Hello. Hello sa inyo. Good morning, good afternoon. Kung anong oras man dyan sa inyo. It's a happy day. It's so special, especially kay Jobs. Hello, Jobs. Wow. Golden girl. So, happy birthday. Ito yung mahalaga sa iyo at salamat. Nakita ko yung biyaya ng Panginoon. You're fully blessed. So, alam ko ang kagaya mo with all sa aking mga pamangkin, you're very near to the heart of the family dahil maliit ka pa, nandun ka na sa amin halos, and most of the time parang ikaw lagi ang bit-bit ni lola mo, ni nanay mo, ikaw. So in short, you're close to us, and dahil din siguro yung spirit mo is nice, is good, and alam ko you have soft but a big heart. So masaya ako at nagkaroon ako ng pamangkin kagaya mo na malayo ka man, and yet there are times na may mga problema in terms of finances. Parang whenever maisip ko na lumapit sa'yo, hindi ka na nagsi-second thought. Alam ko your family is supportive enough na mag-extend, no? Unlike sa mga ibang naririnig ko na parang ang hirap lapitan. Pero sa'yo, parang from my experience, I know it's hard, no? To work out there, and of course, no? Pero nagawa niyo pa rin ng paraan to extend at hindi naman sabihin na sasama yung loob, no? And yet, siguro nga, dahil malapit ako sa iyo, wala namang problema at naibalik naman ng maayos. So far, at masaya ako dahil madali kang kausap na tao. Okay, that is it. And I know more blessings will flow. At wag lang mag-change. I know si Jimmy is already a blessing to you as your partner at saka yung maganda mong anak. So I hope patuloy na maging healthy. At of course, my prayer is that wag kayo lumayo, umawak tayo sa Panginoon. At alam ko the whole family will be fully blessed. And of course, lahat, ang buong pamilya mo, even ka na nanay mo. At yes, I hope we can have our reunion thereafter sometime later or in the next in the near future. At least na magkita tayo bago naman mababawasan yung angkan natin. So I wish you happiness and yes, more blessings, fortune in life, dahil you are also a blessing to others, especially to your relatives, no? Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy your day. And alam ko mahalaga to, and I'm happy enough naging part din ako sa buhay mo. At saka right now I am sharing this good thoughts dahil you deserve it. God bless and enjoy. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy. Malayo man kayo, pero nakikita ko yung puso nyo ay andoroon at sensitive, no, to their family, especially sa mga bagay-bagay. And I know you for a fact, no, you're very much aware, no, sa lahat ng mga areas ng mga relatives natin. Wish you could come back and see you. God bless. Love you. Mwah. Okay, thank you.
Happy birthday, Inday! Welcome to the golden years. I would like to say thank you for being a good sister to me, and thank you also for providing during my studies and also to our family.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Inday!
Happy birthday, Inday! Tawan ka kumayad nga lawas.
Nagmamawid na kami.
Ubayan na kamo.